What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould Gaming and Tech channel. Samsung just had their Galaxy Unpacked event where they revealed the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Now, the big question is, should you upgrade if you have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3? And I'm going to break all that stuff down for you. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated. But there are some slight differences in the Galaxy Z Flip 4, but not as many as you think. So the main thing we're concerned with whenever we buy any new phone is primarily the price. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 will drop at $999 at the entry level, and the Galaxy Z Flip 3 originally launched at that same price. As far as the battery is concerned, I know a lot of consumers last year were complaining about how quick the battery died. So last year it was a 3300 milliamp battery. This year they boosted it a little bit with 3700 milliamps. What does that mean in the real world? You might get another hour out of your battery, but it's not that much of a difference. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 had that Snapdragon 888 5G chip, and the new Flip will have the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip. As far as the internal memory, they're both pretty much the same, but in this year's model you will get a 512 gigabyte option. And as far as the main cameras, they're still the same at 12 megapixels for that wide and ultra wide. And as far as aesthetics, you have different colors. It's not a big difference as far as last year because they did offer a lot of options for colors, but the main difference is you will have flatter edges than the rounder ones that were on the previous model. So if you had a Galaxy Z Flip 3 in the past and you had a lot of screen issues, the main thing that I took back from the Galaxy Unpacked event is that they didn't really address those issues that so many consumers had. They did add some software features for the outside screen. They're just small tweaks here and there, nothing major. In short, if you have a Galaxy Z Flip 3, my personal opinion, you shouldn't upgrade to the Galaxy Z Flip 4. I would say you should wait until that outer display kind of expands a little bit and they address the issues with the inside screen. If you have an earlier model, say the Galaxy Z Flip, the original one, or the upgraded one that they redesigned, then yeah, you might want to upgrade to the Galaxy Z Flip 4 or heck, even the Z Flip 3. But you guys know I like to keep these videos short and sweet. Thank you guys for tuning in, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.